Hi guys, today we are at the unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy Note. This is an original set, sealed. This one is actually from Samsung Malaysia Electronic SME. So basically this is an original set, it's not an AP set. Today is the 3rd of December. So we're gonna unbox this. Just hold on. So there you got it, the new Galaxy Note. It's kind of huge though. Yeah. Let's put it aside here. Let us compare it with the Samsung Galaxy S2 side by side. You can say that it's a bit like about 10 to 15% more bigger, larger, wider. Funny thing that the thickness is the same though. So total comparison side by side with the S2. Some people are already saying that the S2 is really big. Imagine the Note. A white Note will be looking much more bigger than a black Galaxy Note, because white usually seems bigger. Okay, we already compared with the S2. Now we are comparing it with the iPhone 4S. As you can see, this is a 4S. Usually iPhone 4 they have a line here, but iPhone 4S is here. Okay, so the Galaxy Note looks so huge next to the iPhone 4S. Check out the difference with the LCD screen, 5.3 Super AMOLED screen. This iPhone 4S is using a 1mm clear casing, so it looks a bit thicker, but I can say that the iPhone 4S is actually thinner a bit than the Galaxy Note. It's because of the casing, the clear transparent casing that I'm having here. Yeah. Okay, next is the comparison with a Bull 9900 white, which is in fact new here in Malaysia as well. I don't know whether it's officially launched yet, but okay, there it is. My god, it looks so tiny next to the huge Note. And the thickness test. Okay, I think it's the same size. It's because this Bull is using a very thin casing, but there's a slight thicker. You can see here. So let's check out. Okay, what do they have this? Do not accept if seal is broken. So the seal ain't broken yet. So there you are, the manuals. Oh, I was expecting a white color charger. Maybe that's because I'm so used to an Apple device, but yeah, it seems that I presume these are for the headsets, the earplugs for the headsets. They're giving a white headset. Reminds you of Apple's iPhone 9 headsets, the way they are packaging it. And it's the same cable that you are getting if you buy an S2. And yeah, oh, it's okay. So there you got it, the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note White, original Malaysian set by SME Malaysia. Thank you, and see you next time.